Hi everyone, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we learn how to be mentally healthy or how we can increase our mental strength. We always talk about the physical strength. We eat something more, we do some exercises. Similarly, mental health is also very much necessary for a person. Especially in this situation, you should take care of mental health. So, to increase the mental strength, there are some tips, and we can discuss one by one. So, you can evaluate yourself how much strength you have, mental strength, or how you can be free from the anxiety and depression. So, let us go one by one. Tip 1, cry yourself. Tip 1, cry yourself or allow yourself to cry. It may be, you may be adult, you may be a gent, you may be a boy, but allow yourself to cry because psychologists say it relieves you from frustration and sadness. What it does, crying relieves you from psychological stress, mental fatigue, higher blood pressure, and lapse of memory. Tip 2, don't try to control everything. You cannot control whole universe. You cannot control everything. Next is tip 3, try to use your time very effectively, very responsibly. That means you are doing many works together, but try to manage it properly so that there will be no anxiety, because sometimes you feel that exam is coming near, you have not read it, so day before the examination you have a lot of anxiety because you have not used the time properly, you have not completed the syllabus. That's why nowadays we are uh, doing so many things, not only the students, also young people. We are doing so many things at a time. So try to use the time and try to divide the time for each activities and manage all the activities properly. That will not increase your anxiety. Next is 4. You practice gratitude. Gratitude means thank others when you are getting help from others. Thank them. Thank God that you are safe. Thank God that you are getting everything. So that thank you feeling will give you mentally strong. So be kind to others. This is the 5th point. Be kind to others. Don't have jealousy. Don't increase jealousy in your heart. Rather, you improve your empathy, compassion, feel about others. And to develop empathy and compassion give you a positive impact on others. Your kindness, your empathy, it will create a very good atmosphere in your locality, in your society. So don't have jealousy. Please don't have jealousy. Jealousy gradually increases your anxiety. Point 6, open to new ideas. Don't be conservative. For example, you in this lockdown you can see so many changes in the society, so adopt it. Welcome new ideas and adopt new changes, then it will be mentally strong. 7, tip 7, learn from your own mistake. Don't blame others. If anything mishappening occurs, don't blame others. You may be responsible for it. Admit it. Mental strength or mental health is an ability to acknowledge your own mistake. Always don't blame others for any mishap. You may be responsible for it, so admit it and try to correct it. Tip number 8, try to spend money responsibly. If you don't need anything special, don't buy it. Don't buy which you don't need in the near future also. Then, because when there will be scarcity of money, it increases your anxiety and it spoils your mental health. Tip number 9, don't depend too much on others, or we say codependency. Be self-dependent. Try to be self-dependent and don't sit or till others will push you or others will help you. That will decrease your mental health. That will deteriorate your mental health gradually. If you expect somebody, he will help or she will help, and she is not helping you, so gradually it will deteriorate your mental health. You continue to persist. Don't give up. Keep on doing. You may be frustrated sometimes because you are working hard but you are not getting the result. Still go on doing. When you are frustrated, take a break. But don't leave up. Don't give up. So continue till you get the success, and mental health is in your hand. So if you will try, you can keep it, or you can be mentally stronger day by day, and you will be more stronger than others. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.